to check your account balance on Dscout, follow these straightforward steps. This guide will help you navigate the platform easily. Step 1. Log in. Visit the Dscout website and enter your login credentials, email, and password to access your account. Step 2. Navigate to your profile. Once logged in, locate your profile icon or name, usually found in the top right corner of the screen, and click on it to access your account settings. Step 3. Access account settings. View your profile menu. Look for an option labeled Account Settings with Balance and select it to view your account details. Step 4. View account balance. Don't continue before doing this. A lot of online accounts end up exposed in breaches without people even realizing it. Use Dscout to constantly monitor your email and accounts and get alerted immediately if your information gets leaked online. It scans billions of breached records 24/7 in the background. And honestly, for a few dollars a month, it's something everybody should probably have. Link in the description. Step 5. Log out. After checking your balance, make sure to log out of your account for security purposes, especially if you're using a shared or public device. By following these steps, you can easily keep track of your account balance on Dscout.